In this video, we're framing up the ensuite. Hi guys, I'm Chris, and this is part 2 of our latest build series where we are remodeling a house. So make sure you jump back and check out episode 1. I'll put the link in the description, and while you're at it, you may as well hit subscribe. My channel is all about the building trade in New Zealand. You'll find how-tos, tool reviews, and collaborations. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by removing the section of flooring, and we're going to put some treated plywood under the shower space. What I do is I start by cutting the new piece of flooring out first, and I use it as a template. That way I get it exactly how I want it. This will also give us access to the subfloor. This is going to help the plumbers gain access without having to go all the way downstairs and crawl through from the other side of the building. Because this is a load-bearing wall and we're removing most of the studs so we can put in the new lintel for the cavity slider, we've got these temporary props and lintels running across to support the roof while we do the work. Even though it's a small room for framing, there's still a bit of detail that needs to be considered. The 2 studs here, they make up the corners for the other side. And this little bit here, what I had to do is plane these dwangs so that when this stud went on, it was straight, which gives me a head start when I'm straightening the wall inside here and in the bedroom as well. So there we have it. We have framed this ensuite ready to go. The plumber's going to be here tomorrow morning. He's going to start piping out for the toilet, for the vanity, and for now we're just going to hold fire on the shower mixer until we get a bit more clarification from the client. We've got our lintel in place for our cavity slider, so that's ready to go in when the plumber's out of the way. In the coming episodes, we're going to be putting the metal ceiling batten system in this ensuite, and we continue on with our demolition and make a start framing the new bathroom. So make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and follow me on Instagram so you don't miss the next episodes.